heard people talking about ebooks, and for very good reason. In this video I'm going to explain exactly what ebooks are, so like ebooks for beginners, what they are, why they're such a great thing to do, why they're accessible for anyone to create, and why people create them. I'm Sally Oddy, I'm a business, marketing and mindset mentor, and I'm here to help you create a life and business you love by selling your knowledge online and creating a 24/7 passive income. So what are ebooks? Essentially, ebook stands for electronic book. That's all it really is. It's a digital form of book. So think of any PDF that you have ever downloaded, read on your computer, on your tablet, on your phone, or even printed out. That can be classified as an ebook type format. Ebooks can take many forms. They don't have to be really long books like the traditional type of book. It kind of depends what information you want to deliver in terms of what format you choose for your ebook. And the most important thing I think with ebooks is that you kind of do keep them quite succinct, because they are downloaded and people are reading them on their phone or their tablet or their computer. It's not like a storybook where there needs to be a lot of words, a lot of explanation. You can literally just deliver information in your ebook. Anyone can create an ebook. You may think that you don't have any knowledge or that you're an expert to be able to write an ebook, but trust me when I say that you have knowledge that other people are looking for and that they want to buy. People buy ebooks on all sorts of subjects. How to fix a classic car, how to cook the perfect coq au vin, how to have a peaceful festive season with my extended family, 10 things to know before buying your first home, daily routines to feel more confident, how to manage a tight family budget for a large family, how to keep your home organised when you have a big family. There are so many things that people are looking for information on that you probably know a lot about. So really think about your experience, your life experience, your expertise. It might be your education, your career. Every single person in the world probably knows stuff that they can turn into an ebook. You don't have to be a leading expert. It doesn't have to be like intellectual or academic to sell. In fact, actually, the more kind of generic and mainstream your ebook is, the more it'll actually sell. So anyone can actually create an ebook. And the great thing with an ebook is once you've created it, it's passive income. And what that means is that you've put the work in up front, you've created your ebook, and every time someone buys it, it's just profit, because there's no costs attached to the sale of the ebook or the delivery of it. It's not like a real book where you've had to pay for the book to be printed, to be packaged, to be posted. There's no costs associated with selling an ebook because it's completely digital. So once you've invested the time to create it, everything is gravy. Like, there are no costs attached. So it's complete passive income. The other great thing about ebooks is they have a global audience. So obviously, depending on where you promote your ebook, whether it be YouTube, social media, online forums, your website, your blog, I mean, there are so many places where you can actually sell ebooks. Udemy, Etsy, Amazon, there are so many places you can sell ebooks to a global audience. And again, the great thing with all of those is once you've done that piece of promotion once, especially when you're using things like Pinterest, for example, YouTube, Amazon, you've put the work in to create the content to promote the ebook, and that's there forever. So that piece of content could potentially sell your ebook over and over and over again for years and years and years to come. And that brings me to another really important point that I wanted to make sure I raised today. The best thing for you to do is to create an evergreen ebook. And by that I mean the content you share is not time specific. So for example, if you were a social media expert, writing an ebook about how to use social media in terms of using the actual tools today would not be evergreen, because the algorithms are always changing, things are always changing, and what works today on Instagram, for example, Instagram might not even be around in a year, like who knows. So that is not an evergreen ebook. However, if you're a social media manager and you do want to do an ebook, things like what to include in your profile, content strategy, messaging strategy, branding strategy, those types of things are not actually time specific. If I saw that piece of content, or if I saw that ebook today or in 3 years' time, it'd probably still be relevant for me. Whereas how to use Instagram has a short shelf life. So if you are thinking of creating an ebook, think of creating one that will be as useful in 10 years' time as it is today. So for example, 10 family-friendly vegan recipes. Even if someone sees that book in 5 years' time, it's going to be relevant because those recipes are still going to work. So if you're creating an ebook, really think about evergreen. Don't make it really time specific. The other great thing about creating ebooks is they're actually really, really easy to create. We have so many design tools at our fingertips these days. I'm thinking about Canva, but you can also create ebooks literally in presentations, PowerPoint presentations, in Word, so any kind of text format you can create an ebook in. They don't have to be really, really beautiful to sell, although personally I'm a bit of an aesthetic design person, so I do like things to look nice, but they can actually be created in the most simple way, just in a Word document. It doesn't have to be really, really fancy. And as I've said, it doesn't have to take a huge amount of time either, because the content you're putting in an ebook can be stuff you've already actually got, and it's just a case of pulling it all together. So if you've been blogging for years, look at your blog, see which ones can kind of theme together and put them into an ebook. There are so many different things you can do to create an ebook that people are going to want to buy. So I hope you found this video kind of helpful. It's a bit of an ebook for beginners overview to give you an idea of what ebooks are, why they're so great, why they're so easy to create, and why they can really add some very, very good passive income into your finances. So I hope you found that useful today. I do have some brilliant resources on ebooks, which I'll drop them all down below. Let me know in the comments if you found this useful. Have you created an ebook? Do you want to create an ebook? What is your experience of ebooks? Let me know down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I will see you next time. Bye.